Welcome to everyone. Today I will talk about what is plant, what is root cell, what is palisade cell. If you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. Let's start the video. Plant organs. The main plant organs are the flower, which contains the plant's reproductive organs, the stem, the leaves, and the roots. With a typical land plant growing in soil, the root system is everything growing below the ground, and the shoot system is everything above the soil. Plant organs. Flower. The flower contains the plant's reproductive organs. Many flowers attract insects which carry pollens between plants to bring about pollination and fertilization. In some plants, the flowers develop into fruit which contains the seed. New plants can grow from seed. Stem. The stem usually grows upward towards the light. It carries water and minerals, salt to the leaves, and food around the plant. Stems support the plant and transport food and water. Leaves. The leaves are the organs of photosynthesis. They make all the food for the plant. The leaves contain chlorophyll, which uses light to change carbon dioxide and water into the sugar glucose. Leaves have tiny pores on their undersides. These let essential carbon dioxide in and waste oxygen and water out. Roots. The roots anchor the plant in the soil so that it does not blow away or fall over the accident. The root hairs provide a large surface area to take in water and mineral salts from the soil. Roots hold the plant in place. The plant absorbs water and nutrients through them. Structure of plant cell. Cell wall. Plant cells have a cell wall as well as cell membrane. The cell wall is made of material called cellulose and it helps to keep the plant rigid. Cell membrane is a thin skin around the outside of the cell. It prevents the cell contents from escaping, but it does allow substances like water and other small molecules to cross in and out of the cell. Cell membrane controls what goes into and out of the cell. Chloroplast. Chloroplasts contain a green chemical called chlorophyll. This is the chemical which enables green plants to use the sun energy to make food during photosynthesis. Cytoplasm is all the living matter except for the nucleus. It is a jelly like substance which is fluid can flow. Vacuole is a bag-like structure in the center of the cytoplasm. It takes up most of the space inside the cell and contains a solution of sugars and salts. This solution is called cell sap. Nucleus. The nucleus contains the substance called DNA. The nucleus carries the plan for the plant or animal the cell will grow into or be part of. It controls the kind of chemicals the cell makes and how much of each of them is produced. It also controls how and when the cell divided. A plant or animal cell without a nucleus cannot reproduce. Palisade cell. Specialist plant cells. Although all plant cells have the same basic structure, many of them are adapted to carry out special jobs within the plant. Cell wall, nucleus, chloroplast, vacuole. Palisade cells are mostly found in the top surface of leaves. They have a lot of extra chloroplast to trap sunlight and carry out the photosynthesis. Root hair cells. Root hair cells do not have chloroplast. They do not need chlorophyll as they are mostly found underground and their job is to draw in water and mineral salt from the soil. They are long and thin to provide a large surface area. Takes water and minerals into the soil. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.